pictorial number 20. The months of the year. Well, we're in a new year and we've got some new changes. Hey, Huck, what did Mommy do to her hair? Did I get a haircut?
Yeah.
How does it look?
Good.
And Mackie got a haircut.
I don't have a haircut.
No haircut for Huck. So here's the deal. A long time ago, Mac had trouble learning the months of the year.
That was when I was 5.
She was younger. But we realized we have a really fun song. I made up a song. I picked a song Mac really liked, which was to the tune of The Sign. And I changed the lyrics so we could learn the months of the year. This is our first tiny tutor rap! Math rap! There are 12 months. 12 months in every year. It goes like this. January, February, then March, April, then May. It's June and then July. You've hit August, September, October. To get into the months, it's November. December's at the end.